Hello, friends. We've been getting some tiny, beautiful visitors in our yard lately. Hummingbirds. Believe me, it's amazing watching them hover around the flowers and feeders, wings buzzing like little helicopters. They bring so much life and color to the garden. It's like having a bit of nature's magic right outside our window. In this instance, we were just sitting in our garden, and hummingbirds were just a few feet away from us. What a fascinating sight. They are lovely little creatures, and there's much more to hummingbirds than just their famous fast wing beats. Let me share to you some intriguing details about them. Most hummingbirds weigh less than a penny, or about 2 to 4 grams. Yet, they have incredible strength and stamina. So, to say the least, they are tiny but mighty. Their metabolism is unbelievable. Their hearts can beat about 1,200 times per minute when active. So, to keep up with that energy, they eat every 10 to 15 minutes, visiting hundreds of flowers daily. They don't live on sugar water alone. They also eat tiny insects and spiders for protein. I am not sure, but I think they're the only birds that can hover for long periods of time. And they can even fly backward or upside down, you see? And this, which I was told, and I really can't believe that despite their size, hummingbirds are territorial and fearless. They'll chase away bigger birds, bees, or even squirrels from their flowers or feeders. If you notice its feather, it's not truly colored. Instead, it has iridescent feather that refract light. So their colors can look different depending on angle. I learned that at night when it's cold, they can enter into some kind of, I would say, state like a mini hibernation where their metabolism slows drastically so they don't starve while they sleep. Yeah, she was there yesterday, or was it another hummingbird? They like that lily. What do you call that lily?
Tiger lily.
Tiger lily. Another lily.
Yan?
Yeah. Oh, mahilig magpahinga. Nagpahinga naman. Napapagod din pala. Ah, kahapon nagpahinga rin siya. Ayo. She rested also yesterday. Ah, she got tired flopping. Oh, she's gone.
Ayun sila di.
Where?
Ayun na.
Oh, madami sila.
Oo, dami sila.
There. Oh, yeah. Madami sila, Mi.
Oo.
I could hardly see them. They rested on the Asian pearl.
Ayun
Yeah.
sila sa Asian Pearl.
Yeah,
Dami sila dun.
yeah.
Gusto nila to kasi because it's sweet. Oh, see?
to the corn.
Oh,
Yeah.
yun sila sa ano, oh, sa light.
Yeah. Friends, I also learned that hummingbirds have excellent memories. They can remember every flower or feeder they've visited, how long it takes for nectar to refill, and even recognize individuals who refill their feeders. Amazing. Yeah. Where is she?
Alis na.
Nandito si siya prutas mo, Mi. Din,
Ano naman, bumalik na naman di.
Oh. Where is she again?
Ayan, oh, sa may tomato. Oh,
Tomato?
namamay na. Ayan, namamay na.
Where?
Ayan. Namamay na.
Nga, ano? Nagpapahinga rin pala siya. Napapagod ka rin sa kapaplap ng wings mo. It's very small, me, no? There she is. They're in pair, di ba, Mi? Kanina nakita ko, they're in pair.
Yeah.
There's another one.
Baka doon sa may ano, doon sa may Asian pearl. O hinahanap niya yung kasama niya.
Mm-hmm. Nagpapahinga rin. Uy! Beautiful. Ayun yung kapyan niya. Saka hindi. Housebird pala yan. Housebird.
Ano kaya yung ginagawa niya?
Ayun, close up natin. Close up pa. What are you doing? She's cleaning up like other birds. Uy! Robin, me. May dumating na robin.
Nalilipas.
And a housebird. Where is he? There. There are robins too.
Tagal niyo.
Nagpapahinga din pala siya.
Walang tubig.
Oh, I never get a chance. I'll refill that bird bath.
Yeah. Kung gusto niya maligo, di.
Walang tubig eh. I'll go there.
Ayun na.
Ayan na siya. Ang bilis ng ulo niya. Bird eh. Ayun, they're in pair, man. Nandun sila sa may mais. There, sa mais. Then, ang bilis nila. Like, in a blink of an eye, they're gone. Oh. That's corn. It's gone again.
Kita mo?
Sa may ilaw?
Ayan o, yun. Yung sa, ano, yung paanuhan na ano, ng...
Oo nga, no. They're back. Where are you?
Ay, sarapan mo.
Talagang very irresistible yung na yan, tiger lily. Very irresistible. Siguro yung whatever you're sucking there is very sweet. Very sweet, darling, huh? Where are you? There. Friends, tongues of hummingbirds are just as amazing as their wings. It can extend twice the length of their bill, letting them reach deep into the flowers. Nasa corn. Na-attract sila siguro yung yung smell of the corn. No? Flowers must be very sweet. There. She's there. Where are you? Siguro nagpahinga naman kaya hindi ko makita. I can see you. They are so fast. They are speed feeders. I also learned that they can fly from a nectar to the next up to 20 times per second. Very fast.
Nasaan?
Sa may alambre, Where is she?
Hindi mo natatakot yun.
There. Yun siya. There. Went to the corn again.